Big Eye Fox there.
Shut up, Logan.
Wait for a firework.
There's Thomas.
I'm Thomas.
Yeah.
I can touch it.
Yeah.
Hot. Hot. I wonder when it's going to get lighted.
What?
It's rapid fire. I know it.
Oh! Gee whiz! Right?
But that one it went in the sky.
Right?
That's what fire was.
Right?
Before they was making the sound. Right?
Right?
That one was really loud.
You guys can't see what we were seeing, but my dad just done a fake explosion thing with his hands.
And then it actually exploded.
Yeah.
And my dad is.
Ah!
No messing about.
You bomb Tyler. I'll shoot you.
Mom,
I'll slap you silly. Where's the fuse on that?
I'm not gonna freak out anymore.
It looks like a gun.
Yeah. Like a rocket launcher. A rocket launcher with missions where you can shoot.
A firework launcher, you mean, Cody.
Rocket.
Do you know what I went to on GTA?
You gonna watch your son?
I was just like, fireworks.
No, just shoot them in the sky and it'll be like that.
Yeah, no. You ever done that?
Mom, that one's Yay. 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 Orange. Yay. Oh my god, that's just small. Guys,
It only takes 3 lungfuls of smoke to knock you out.
yeah. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. Can you make stuff for me? Because I don't like hot chocolate. I like bread.
Wait, just watch the fireworks.
I'm end up freaking out. And they're going to be freaking out.
Can I do my cream?
Can you just go and watch the fireworks?
Watch your fire.
And you can get me.
Yeah. What?
Only 3. Hey, only 3.
Only 3.
I'm going to be watching this after.
Yeah.
Watch the fireworks.
Logan just doesn't want to, she's crapping himself, isn't he?
Yeah. Honestly.
You watching?
Hands up for fireworks. Me.
What the hell is that?
It's Dad. What, the blue?
Whoa!
No,
that. Wait, lighting.
Oh, that's a lamppost. Oh.
No, you're going to be. No, will you be fine? Scream, Tyler.
I don't like
Right, Anna.
I'll be watching this after.
So will I.
If I miss any fireworks.
Yeah, but who will be holding it if you miss something and you go away? Daddy!
Move!
Dad, don't do it! Do it quick! Dad, don't do it!
Come back.
Dad, don't do it!
Logan, look at it.
Let me see.
Sorry, I was in the way. Sorry, I was in the way.
Tyler, go and watch, please. I'm busy.
I'm making some hot chocolate as well.
What are you doing? Mum,
We're
what are
having
you
hot dogs as well.
Damn.
Mum, what are you going to make me today?
Hot milk.
I don't want to watch the screen.
What happened?
Well, get Taylor, just leave it. No, you won't be having it until this is done.
Mum, I don't have that one.
Watch! Watch, Sienna!
Yeah. Need my hammer to get the drawer. Your hammer?
Hammer.
The
Hammer.
Which one am I having?
What?
What drawer is it in, Dad?
It's in one of these drawers.
No, I don't know where it is.
It might be in your toolbox upstairs.
It's in. I seen it in that drawer earlier. One of these drawers earlier.
Well, come and have a look then.
Dad! Don't do it, Dad! We have to save it for later. Should we save that for later, Dad? Dad, my sweetie thing.
My dad's here for something.
Is it in that drawer there, Dad?
It's in a watch.
There's only a couple left.
I know, we have to do it for later. 'Cause I don't like it.
It might be in your toolbox upstairs.
Keep what? Right, so you just... And I
Oh,
think it.
over there. The actual thing's over there.
I don't know what to do it.
Just have a look.
Little things, the little dots on it.
Right, yeah.
Oh, this is the fence one.
Yeah, it spins round.
Then she is going to have a...
This one spins round.
She's had enough.
What, like it goes like that?
This spins. Ready?
You did the same last year. There we go.
Did you like that?
Wait, have we still got the one that was on that fence last year?
I don't think so.
This one, I believe, you don't might want to go upstairs to the bedroom window for this one.
No, I stand back. Everyone stand back. Why don't I stand back?
Then, if it's too noisy, just leave it for her because she's had enough.
Yep.
Tyler, stand behind her. And put the fucking faggot.
Alice, could you hold that? Hold that there.
We're making hot chocolate and hot milk.
Oh, yeah.
Hot marshmallows go on it. And hot.
If you're frightened of the noisy one, you can shut the door and go to the window if you want.
Johnny,
No.
what are you looking for?
Was that the last one?
That's the tallest one.
Mm.
That's
The noisiest one.
Dad, I want
Happy things, sweetie.
The color vortex.
Dad,
Dad, can you hold it now? Dad, I'm going to end up breaking this. I'll hold it. No, I'll hold
Right,
it. Hold
stand back,
your phone
guys,
with
so
two
that-
hands. Tyler,
Guys, go and do me a favour and stand back because that's the biggest one.
Stand back.
Doesn't matter about video in it, Ellis.
Alice,
Safety
stand up.
first.
Mum,